this sucker needed cleaning pretty soon. He turned gray or something. But here's the guy, y'all. This guy. Violent. Ouch. Stop that. Yeah. Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Cures.
White spinnerbait, I suppose.
Yep.
Or a buzz bait or some dumb thing.
I did catch one on a buzz bait.
This guy'll taste good. You ought to get over here and come on down around here and show them what you got. This is 1 year. This is this year. They got rinsed out during the high water. This is this year.
Jeez.
Nothing but scales. Down through there, all around in there. Fish scale. And anybody that might be listening, you take one of these dang scales and just like you can look in a tree and get annular rings, you can tell how old the fish is.
You can't do that?
Absolutely. Absolutely. If it's got 4 rings in it, that fish is 4 years old. If it's got 2 in it, it's 2 years old. Just like the annular rings in a tree. That's the truth.
I didn't know that.
I got that out of something from the Game and Fish Commission. Here's another thing that some people may not know. Let me show you when I get this guy's head off. Ooh.
A thick backbone, huh?
I thought I was sharpening the knife. That guy's hard-headed. There you go. Okay. But those who might view the tape in the big city, right in this guy's head is a liver. Right?
This ought to look good on TV.
And hold on a minute, I'll wash him up. And you'll see that it looks like, and when you fry it up, it tastes just like chicken liver. Just like chicken liver. You know that?
What?
That's the liver. Came out of it sits right behind this guy's head right there, see? Well,
I'll take that.
I didn't do it.
Stick them in the rectum there, and
He had some eggs, but they're kind of poor looking. Or she did. What's that?
care for some livers?
Hey, come here, Dana. Learn something. What's that look like?
Show her where it came from.
How about that?
Show her where it came from.
Alright, I got 2 of them down. This guy's no piker either. Here, this is nice fish.
Oh man, that tires my back up. Save you some money. As long as you keep catching the fish.
Each cricket costs 3 cents. They start the cash register. And every day these cats will come up here and get 3 broomies apiece. Honest, there's one graded down here that looked like a sort of a Siamese cat, and that cat would eat so damn many fish that its stomach looked like that. All pooched out, like there goes one fin and there goes another one, you know. Then he would sit over here and puke its guts out and go back and eat some more.
That Siamese?
That dumb cat.
That Siamese, didn't he used to have conniption fits, just convulsions, didn't he?
Reminds me of some of my relatives.
No names, please.
Well.
He's gonna
That won't hurt you now.
Okay.
Norma Day. Ready for the weekend. And I think everybody ought to be forewarned that the camera can go on any time, day or night.
I wonder if this thing, yeah, it should take them bass, them pictures of them bass.
Well, the water might refract it.
Yeah, I can see the
But
meat.
hang in there, and when I give this thing a douche here, you ought to go get Patty and Aunt Peggy, and I'll show you how to do this. I know she'd appreciate it. I only charge 15 cents a lesson. Who said that? Is that you?
Wasn't me.
Brown and white cat. Maybe white, goofy looking. Liberace, I call it. Looks like female. This is what Gertrude looked at these bass and she won't have them in the boat. Look here, see this thing here? I don't know what that is. Yeah, but it's a sore of some sort. Let me get my glasses.
Little cancerous thing.
Well, Dr. Bones. Well, no, it's not. It's hard. It's a callus thing. Whoops.
I remember seeing those on some last year.
She'll throw those out, throw that dadgum fish as far as she can throw it. Yeah, I don't want him. You know, as if it was sick. I'm gonna put that sucker in a skillet.
Good answer, good answer.
What show was that? Good answer. Oh, that dadgum kissing bandit. Yeah. What the hell is the name of that dumb thing? Family Feud.
Yeah,
Good
Family
answer,
Feud.
Dumbest dadgum statement.
Good answer, good answer. And every one of them would say it too.
Somebody, I think it's Sony. Sony's coming out with one that's half that weight.
Oh, really?
And half, what do you call it? Half the size of the tape.
So you're gonna keep that and throw that meat out in the bay, right?
I'm gonna see if Patty and Aunt Peggy recognizes what it is. If she comes up. If not, I'll give it to the cat. Goes up under a shade tree.
Dual trolling motors on the back.
And when the fish start biting, there's a little laser beam that goes right through your head and says,
Now he's
and you just punch the button, and your motorized
Memorial Day weekend.
This bud's for you.
It was sponsored this morning by Budweiser.
Corn Quisto is the best nacho cheese jalapeno flavor in the world.
Ask her later if you can have a chip.
You know how to do it?
Now to do what?
She's gonna burn up, man.
She's gonna say like it.
You guys eat up my conquistos?
That's
Si,
what we're doing.
senor.
Did you bring them to eat?
You stupid old gringos?
They'll like it. Give it to Mama.
Stupido gringos. I'm not no stupido.
How big it is? Double.
Hey, now I'm gonna be coming down the cooter again, so y'all leave that double end unlocked if you would. I'll be coming down there shortly.
What about the?
You gonna have to. You gonna that one with the seats in it's full of water. Full.
I gotta go get my boots.
Yeah, 'cause you gotta walk in.
Well,
That's not quite.
Hey, Andrew, I'm catching that.
Catching what?
you better give that man a proper.
Whatever you're catching.
Yeah, go ahead, Randy. Clean your fish. Yeah, do this for me.
John, they're skiing backwards on that crutch.
Trick skis.
It's one of those surfboards that are cut in half.
There's 26 there. And that damn thing. I'll see those for cats. Have you taken any pictures of anybody water skiing?
Yes.
You know why I brought those?
Why?
You're gonna want to go water skiing on 13.
You're what?
You're not supposed to tell. We're having a party. Ask Sam if Dad's got both socks, John.
What's this, a convention?
Ask Sam if Dad's got both socks.
Y'all had any luck?
Does Dad still have both the socks on?
What?
Yes.
I wondered if he had both his socks on still. I heard a little tail.
Who's got a cold drink?
That's lovely. You used your shorts and
Got-
ran socks?
Beer and Cokes.
Spiders on it, so I fell in the boat.
That's okay. Heather got a spider
I
and
said,
she
get me
went
out
through
of there,
her
there's
shoe
two
in the mud.
spiders.
Get in the lake, hey,
He was
Heather.
gone.
Guess what I was doing?
I have one bar.
Smile, y'all, on candy camera.
And I'm sitting there going, well,
Yeah, smile for me, Randy.
All right.
are you leaving?
No, he's coming in.
Hey, it's a nice boat, Dad. It doesn't leak it dry.
Oh, this one, Randy. This one, Randy can't even come up here because
I got to blast around
you
the lake
can
and
see
once
it
in a while
coming in
blow all the
now.
water. It'll be this deep.
Hey, Diddy, I've had a little tea. A little bitty,
Okay, Shelley, you
Little-
sound like Shelley.
a little tick was crawling on me.
That's okay. This massive spider came running down the side of the boat a minute ago. But he ran down to Randy, so I was okay. I was going, no, kicking on him.
Are you going to shoot it?
Just broke the box,
There's
Killed,
two
yeah, I
in
killed a
here.
water moccasin up at the cooter.
John, there was already two in here.
They're empty.
Oh, okay, I can tell because it's dented.
Yeah,
How do you get it out?
Ground down.
like that.
Squirt it on you, Sam. Don't just make a mist on you.
You're making a mess in the air. Nobody's getting on there.
You scared her head. You know, the mosquitoes.
Rest your legs up against that tree.
Wet them. Wet your leg. That's the only way you're going to
I
get them
tried that. That's when we almost tumped the boat over. I was trying to stand
Let
up
me see
and
it,
hold
stuff,
on to this
Sam. Here.
tree.
Wait, Randy, I don't want it all over me.
You don't have to if you want. If you want to put ball, you're gonna have to squirt it on.
I'll just kind of go.
Watch him, Sam. He
It kind of ain't gonna.
gets massive with the.
What was that little flare out there of the hand?
I just want to mist.
Spray down the cricket.
Yeah.
That's all right. Heather sprayed ant and roach spray on her crickets.
Just a little.
They all started singing.
Come on now, I'm gonna get it.
That is their safety on that.
Turn around.
Stinks. I already got theirs. I already got theirs.
Help me, help me.
Stinging them
Stinging.
on the bites that I scratched already.
It was really
Put
bad.
it all over you. That's the only way you're gonna get them to quit. Make
I sprayed Evelyn one time after she had just shaved her legs, boy. She about died.
What's the game plan here?
Oh,
I
cigar.
haven't ate anything at all.
Randy, you want a cigar?
Match dusters.
No cigar. Yeah, I'll smoke one.
He likes your cigars.
John, you want one?
No, thank you. My lungs are screwed up as it is.
Not a ruin.
Those things,
how do you-
I'm telling you, stink.
How do you want
Just
cigar?
walking behind Dad
Sam.
going,
Ruined my
Damn,
Chanel
boy,
22.
man.
I had that off one. I said, my
"Well, I
Chanel.
should've done this at the beginning."
You were wearing your Chanel down here?
I don't know.
Underwears and nutty.
Randy goes, why did you roll your hair and put your makeup on this morning? But I woke up and Sam wasn't ready, so I had time to do all these things.
Hey, I got up at 5 till 5. That's pretty good.
In order to get down here at 6.
Well,
I called Dee Dee, she goes, yes.
I said,
Well,
yes,
know.
I am awake. I knew it was her. I would have died if it had been somebody else.
She goes, I'll be there at 5:30. I said, okay, I'm sleeping for 10 more minutes.
Plain was
Big
she
old
was coming
stogie.
with me at 5.
Well,
I like the suggestion. I said, why don't you just come pick me up, Dee Dee? I can sleep 10 more minutes. Then I laid there and said, well,
Yeah,
that's
give
the
me a 5 minute
stupidest
head
thing
start,
I've
I
ever
bet you
heard.
can't
So I
catch me.
got up.
And what?
very good time.